Got Pyramid Creek still running at a pretty good clip. It's going to be running even faster later when that snow melts. Right here at the beginning, thinking to shine out my water filter to make sure I back flushed it properly. Why not? What a view. Hey, you know that super fun part of Horseshoe Falls I'm always talking about? Oh, here it is. This section right here, climbing over this. Boy, is it fun. And look, oh, it's just a cliff over here, that's it. That's all. But you just gotta get up and go up here and then you're good. But a little vertigo? Just a little. Back to ropey, unless I want to try to walk across all this, and that doesn't look like fun with approach shoes on. I don't even have waterproof shoes on right now. So I'm gonna go find a place to put my hammock up over here, chill for a little bit, and then head back down the falls. It's so freaking nice out here. I don't care how much snow there is. It's beautiful. Look at these people camping. Snow camp. That's cool. Little friends here. Hey, buddy. It's me. He's a son. Sure is beautiful out here. We got a guy camping on the backside over here. Like a yellow tent, I think it is. Yeah, you can't get back here too far. Still a good amount of snow. It's kind of crazy. You on, Ducky Duck? I just had a little squirrel. Look at this duck. This duck is not scared at all. He's literally like, he's like 2 feet away from me. Like I'm right here, he's right here. And then there's a squirrel, runs right over to me, right on this tree right here. It starts squealing, wah, wah, squealing at me. And then he runs away. So that shows me people out here feeding these freaking animals, and this is stupid. Don't feed the animals, people, because then you get this. He ain't scared of anybody. All it takes is one jerk to come out here and wants to hurt animals, and then this guy's gone. Please don't feed the animals. And then I won't get a squirrel harassing me for my almonds. See if I can catch him again when he comes back over here. Just chilling at Avalanche Lake in my hammock and search and rescue. Somewhere out here. Somewhere behind me. But pretty nice morning besides the breeze, kind of cold. It's I think like 10:30 or something like that. So it's still getting warmer. Still early. Yeah, these guys. Somewhere out there. Hope everybody's okay. Beautiful Avalanche Lake. Here's Here's the chill spot for the day. Again, put my hammock right here. Between these two trees. Look at this snow melt water. You can see right to the bottom. And now it's time to hike down. Get back down the mountain. Look at these blue skies. This came from over there. Here's the falls going. I'm taking the higher route up over this way. I just like taking different routes. So. Yeah, still got a decent amount of snow back here. So once all the snow's melted, it is up and over these hills and mountains and back to the other fun lakes. Camping trips galore. Here's one of the horsetails. Kind of hard to see, but I just came up from around these boulders up here. Up. Came from over there and coming down this trail. Here's the trail. Let me step back. And it goes either way. You can tell it's pretty steep, but it's got kind of a pretty cut out trail. You can see somebody down there walking either down it or up it. I think they're walking up it. Yeah, down, down, down. Great section of a trail right here. At the falls. Look at this guy struggling to get down this hard part down there. He doesn't know his high trail. He's taking the fucking shitty brambles. That's a trail you don't want to take, folks. You can, but it sucks.